there's a lot of accidents. Wow, he's here already in our side. Oh, there's two big trucks. Oh my gosh, boss. Oh my gosh, he lost his job. Oh my. Oh, I hope that. Oh my gosh, he lost his job, and I think he lost his life. I hope he's alive. Guys, here, this is the notorious road of all the interstate in the US, the I-80 Wyoming. That's like here, it's dry road, and back out there is ice. So you need to be very careful and be very watching, guys. And we are very happy, guys, that we have this tool right here in front of us, because they're going to give us a warning on what happened ahead. Look, the line of big trucks, cars, guys. It's like 10 miles away. My husband is opening the Citizen Ban radio to oh my gosh. Oh, I can't explain what I feel. It's really